Home decoration, soft furnishings. Personalized cushions. Offer cushions with custom embroidery or prints, perhaps featuring quotes, names, or special dates. Designer throws. Create throws in various textures and patterns, from knitted wool to quilted fabric. Custom curtains. Offer made-to-measure curtains with a variety of fabrics, patterns, and finishes. Wall art. Framed prints. Create a range of art prints that can be customized with names or special messages. Canvas art. Offer hand-painted or digital art on stretched canvas. Wall decals. Design removable wall decals for easy and temporary decoration changes. Small furniture pieces. Accent tables. Create custom side tables or coffee tables with unique designs or features. Storage solutions. Offer custom shelving or storage units that can be tailored to fit specific spaces. Upholstered items. Provide small upholstered pieces like ottomans or benches that can be customized with different fabrics. Lighting. Handmade lamps. Design unique table lamps or pendant lights. Personalized night lights. Create night lights that can be customized with names, making them perfect for children's rooms. Kitchen and dining. Custom tableware. Offer plates, bowls, or mugs with custom designs or monograms. Handmade placemats. Create placemats in various styles and materials, from quilted fabric to braided jute. Personalized cutting boards. Offer cutting boards that can be engraved with names or special messages. Outdoor decoration. Garden ornaments. Create custom garden stakes or sculptures. Personalized planters. Offer planters that can be customized with names or messages. Outdoor cushions. Design weather-resistant cushions for outdoor furniture. Seasonal decoration. Holiday ornaments. Create custom ornaments for various holidays, from Christmas to Easter. Seasonal wreaths. Offer wreaths made from seasonal materials, like autumn leaves or spring flowers. Workshops and consultations. You could offer workshops on home decoration or even one-on-one consultations on creating a harmonious living space. By offering a wide range of customizable, high-quality products, you'll not only meet the needs of homeowners, but also create a loyal customer base that values the unique, personalized items you provide.